Nano-Ceramic Tint by MotoShield Pro is rated higher than leading brands in market, ranks the highest amongst the other companies in IR heat rejection. Also blocks up to 99% of UV rays, easy to handle and quick to install. The best performance at half the price. Increase return on investment for your business. Our tint is an environmentally friendly, aesthetic, color-stable film backed by a lifetime warranty. Available in the following shades. Computer-precise custom-cut rolls and pre-cut tint is available. Anti-fog technology in stock as well. Take advantage with low minimums, next-day packaging, and free fast shipping with your order. We also offer race-proven technology trusted by the pros. The only wind tunnel tested nanotech idle care products available for street. All-in-one ceramic detail kit. From nano-ceramic paint protectant to nano-ceramic detail spray. Never wax again. Improve your business with MotoShield Pro.